Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Monday, the 5th of November. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, so what happened in the final session of last week? Well, from the US, we had the big monthly announcement, which was the non-farm payroll numbers, and the economy in the US added 250,000 new jobs, and that was compared to 194 that was forecasted, so it was a better than expected number. Unemployment rate remains at 3.7%, and the average hourly earnings also remains at 0.2%. Now, essentially, there was some positives to take away from this from the US. The job numbers was impressive. Stocks did fall a little, and perhaps that was more confusion with the markets on the US China relations and what may be happening there. But one thing is for sure, that the US still remains one of the world's largest job producing nations there is, and with that 250,000 job number, it goes to show it. Alright, what else did we have on that session? We had from Canada. They also were releasing job numbers. Their unemployment rate came in at 5.8%, which was better than the forecast of 5.9%. With only 11,200 jobs being created. US CAD itself did not move much, as the data was a little bit mixed, with the pair, the US CAD, jumping around about 50 pips at the news release. Also, on Friday, we had locally from Australia, we had the retail sales number that came in a little bit under the forecast of 0.3%, coming in at 0.2. Aussie dollar did have a little bit of a flattish day, let's say, so not much movement for Friday at the release of this news. That was pretty much all that happened last session, so let's now jump into our chart of the day. The chart that I found for us this morning is the Aussie yen on a daily timescale. Now you can see clearly from the chart that I am displaying here that there is a level of resistance. The market has come up to this level once, twice, three times, and we are there again on a fourth occasion. So I've highlighted our hot zone area of interest. So what essentially we are looking for is, we're looking for a price action reversal pattern to occur in this hot zone, and should I get that happening, well then I would be happy and set for a short trade on the Aussie yen. So we're looking for things like inside candles, a shooting star, perhaps even an engulfing candle, something along that nature. And today's candle has not started as yet. There's still about an hour and a half for it to go before it commences at 9 a.m. But let's wait and see what today's candle produces, and we might be ready to pull the trigger for tomorrow. So let's add this one to our hot list. Aussie yen daily timescale is our chart of the day. Okay, what's happening in the session, which is about to kick off for us? We have this evening at 8:30 from the UK. We have the services PMI number, which is due out just after midnight. From Canada, and we've got Governor Polotz will be speaking, and then at 2 a.m. from the US, we have the non-manufacturing PMI number, which is due out. That pretty much wraps out the session for us, guys. As always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you'll have a fantastic trading day. I'll speak to you tomorrow for the daily call. Bye for now.